Expanded form. Today we will learn expanded form of numbers. What do you mean by expanded form of numbers? Writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digits. 358 is the standard form. We need to write it in the expanded form. Expand means spread it. First we must know the digits first. 3 is in the hundred place and its value is 300. 5 is in the tens place, its value is 50. And 8 is in the ones place, its value is 8. So let us learn more examples again. Expanded form of numbers. 124. 4 is in the units place and 2 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place. So in place of 100, 100 plus 2 tens, that is 20, and 4 units plus 4. Now next example, 503, that is equal to 500 plus units tens place you have 0, 0 plus 3. So expanded form of 443, that is equal to 400 plus 40 plus 3. This is 443. 400 plus 40 plus 3. Next example, 222. That is equal to, in hundred place 2, 200. And in tens place 2, 20 plus 20. And in units place 2 plus 2. Children, today page number 16 we will learn expanded form to write in short form. Okay? Now here 420 plus 6 is given. So we'll write its short form of 420 plus 6. This is 4. 4. In hundreds place 4 is there and in tens place 2 is there. 4, 2 and 6. That is 426. The place of the digit determines its value. So here is 2. 200. That is 2 and 0 and next 0. That is 200. Next we have 500. The value 5 determines value of 500. 5, then 9, 90 and 9. 5, 9, 9. That is 599. Next 600. 6. Then 1 tens and 1. That is 6, 1 and 1. That is 611. Now here 900. 9, 20, 2 tens, 20, 2 and 3, 923. You can write the first digit of this number, that is 9, 2 and 3. See here also, first digit of this number, 400 is there, 4, then 2 and 6. Here 2, 0 and 0. Here 5, 9 and 9. Here 6, 1 and 1. First digit you can write here. You can add this number also. Like this, 400 plus 20 plus 6. 0 plus 6, how much? 6. 0 plus 2, that is 2. And here 4, that is 426. Here it is 426. You can add this number also. That is 900 plus 20 plus 3. That is equal. Now 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 2, 2. And here 9. 923. Short form. When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. 600 plus 20 plus 3. That is equal to 623. Now let us learn about face value. The face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Let us look at the number 425. Face value of digit 4 in the hundred place is 4. The face value of digit 2 in the tens place is 2. The face value of the digit 5 in the units place is 5. Face value means the name of a number. So in 753, face value of 5 is its name, that is 5 only. In 44, face value of both the 4 is 4. Let us learn some more examples. Face value of the digits in the number 443. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 4 in the tens place is 4. The face value of 4 in the hundreds place is 4. Next, the number 620. The face value of 0 is 0. The number 2 in the tens place, the value of 2 is 2. And the number 6 in the hundreds place, the value of 6 is 6. So now the number 404, the value of 4 in the units place is 4. The value of 0 in the tens place is 0. The value of 4 in the hundreds place is 4. Now the next number is 200. The face value of 0 is 0. The face value of 0 in the tens place is 0. The face value of 2 in the hundred place is 2. Hello children. Today let us learn the place value and face value of a digit in a number. What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Place value. Let us take the number 246. The value of 2 in the hundred place is 200. The value of 4 in the tens place is 40. The value of 6 in the units place is 6. So next number, the place value of 206. Let us take 2, which is in the hundreds place, and its value is 200. And in tens place it is 0. So the value of it is 0. And in the units place the number 6. So value of 6 is 6. Value of the digits. 443. The value of 4 in the hundreds place is 400. The value of 4 in the tens place is 40. The value of 3 in the units place is 3. Now 620. The value of 6 in the hundred place is 600. The value of 2 in the tens place is 20. The value of 0 in the units place is 0. Now the next number 333. The value of 3 in the hundreds place is 300. And the value of 3 in the tens place is 30. And the value of 3 in the units place is 3. So place value of the digits 526. So you know the place value of units, tens and hundreds. Now 500 is 5. Pi is in the hundreds place, so value of 5 is 500. Place value of 5, and place value of 2 in the tens place is 20. The place value of 6 in the units place is 6.